Hey guys, Marion the Barbarian here. I am going to bring you some new gear today. One is thank you Melly Mel. If you watch Melly Mel, please comment below. So how do you say this? The Tradere, the Blackland Tradere. Solid bar, no overhang, has a really cool grips so when you take it apart. Not a fan of the bell on the bottom. I know it's from a vintage Gillette design, but just not a big fan of that look at least. I am excited to use it. I hear, it may have some similarities to another razor I do enjoy, so we're gonna see how that goes. We are bringing you the Amber Aerolite from Phoenix Shaving. I really had to get it. I don't have the Peregrino anymore, which I really enjoyed, but man, I saw this and it's the same knot as the Roswell knot, but it's sorry, I don't know what that was. That was a fuzz. That wasn't even a hair. Same as the Roswell knot, but it's a different color. So I was like, hey, I like the Roswell knot. It's just a different color, it doesn't matter. So we're using Apex Alchemy shaving soap, Speakeasy. It's 4 ounces. I think it's like a tobacco, vanilla, cherry scent, maybe some other things. It's my second use, so there's 2 scoops worth out of it. I like it has a side label. Not a big fan of the design of these tubs, but overall soap seems pretty good. I have used this once before. Scent is phenomenal. And we have the matching splash. We'll get to the splash here in a minute. DK saw this happen. We were on a chat. We'll get to it then. And I don't want to say bad things about this company because the guy was really cool when I had the reaction to the American Pie. He reached out to me. He's like, hey man, why don't we get you another soap? And I still haven't reached back because life's been crazy, but pretty much he was offering to make the one I had allergic reaction to right. So that's always a good thing. So platform's been sanitized, as in the fact that I just showered within 20 minutes ago or so. All right. Dry the hands. So guys, this is, I love it. I'm starting to dig tobacco scents is what I'm starting to think, guys. Maybe I'm a tobacco type guy. Maybe that's what I dig. But we'll see if I hydrated this enough. I wasn't sure if I did. It seemed pretty glossy and looked pretty good in the bowl. It's a good paint on feeling. Feels pretty dense, which I like. Just wondering if it's fully hydrated. We're keeping the goatee, so you got it all in the ear. All right. Dry the hands. Bust out the Melly Mel donated. Let me borrow, however you want to say it. Tradere. Tradere. I'll figure it out. We'll see how the efficiency goes. I don't know what the blade gap is on this. Okay. So our first use, so we're kind of giving it a go. And if you guys don't know, we are coming up on October. This soap could use some more water actually, guys. Yeah, just a little bit more. There we go. See what a buddy was saying. Definitely familiar. I don't know if it's as efficient. We'll see. I mean, we're going off like 24 hours growth, guys. Anyways, tomorrow's October 1st. Got a little off track, got a little into the shave. October 1st, do you know what we're doing October 1st? Pink Boys raffle kicks off. So after that, I'll pretty much be having 2 videos come out. I'm going to have one that releases pretty much at midnight or 12 a.m. October 1st. And it'll have a prize video and it'll have the GoFundMe page link on it. And when you go to the GoFundMe page, it'll tell you, just give you all the information. Just be looking for the video. And I will also be with Ken and Jeremy kicking off the Pink Boy raffle in October on October 1st. So I think October 1st, I know Ken and I will have one up. We'll see where Jeremy is at that point. But we kick off the Pink Boy raffle. Pink Boy fun. Get your pink gear out. Support breast cancer research. That's what we're going to be doing. Actually, guys, I'm going to tip a little bit in here. Pull as much off as I can. I'm just going to paint in a little bit more water because I should have mixed some more in there before I pasted it back on. But yeah, guys. We should be having a good time. Raising money for breast cancer research. It is pretty smooth, guys. But, like I said, we want to have some fun. Raise some money for a good cause. While having fun. That's all that matters. Helping people out. Oh guys, I'll try to mention it. I will link at the bottom of this video. I will link Johan's raffle video. I'll be pumping it a little during our time as well. But yes. Sorry, I should have been going across grain. But he's going to have a raffle going on as well. It is going on. But I'll link the video below so people know where to go. And I'm not saying go to hell. Just saying for the raffle page. Yeah, we're just going to leave it for now. I'm going to say that's some good edging. Let it drain, a little bit of faucet run. You know what, guys? I'm done. I didn't know that I would be, but I'm done. So, let me rinse and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. Nope, didn't get it all off. The little rinse. We're back with the splash. Speakeasy, Apex Alchemy. So, I think the bottles look pretty cool. As you can see, some water got on them. I thought they were supposed to be waterproof, but they're not. It's not splash because I poured from the back. So, I didn't like their restrictors in these. Like I had an issue from both bottles. Didn't like them. But the bottles look pretty cool. Come on, guys. I mean, they're kind of different. They're neat. Well, this restrictor was turned sideways, so I tried to straighten it out. And when I pushed it down to straighten it out, I got a floater now in my splash. So now I have to like pour it in gently in my hand because I don't have a restrictor anymore. Oh yeah. It's a good feeling, guys. No burn. I wonder if there's alcohol. Or was it just that good of a shave? We'll be getting a head shave in soon, guys. Probably be using the pink Weck again. So, but anyways, really good scent. It's a good performing soap. It has a dense feeling. I do like this brush. I'm going to show the one issue I had. Like, I contemplated telling Doug, but honestly, it's a cheap brush, inexpensive brush, nice knot, but you may not be able to see it. But like when you look from the amber underneath and where they connected the two pieces, when they sat it down, the glue smeared out. So I have like this white glue spot in the edge. Do y'all see it at all? But anyways, probably can't see it. Like I said, it's kind of frustrating. Everything looks even, like it didn't move over or anything. It just looks like too much glue was used, but you know, maybe not all of them are that way. Maybe someone else will get one, does YouTube, and they can tell you they don't see it. But that one's mine, and that's the issue I had. Anyways, let's revisit. Star of the show, Speakeasy by Apex Alchemy. It is, it's a glorious scent, guys. If it's still available on the site, I will link below. I do not have an affiliate with these people. You will get an affiliate with PAA. And sorry, I can't link the Perriera bowls anymore. They're pretty much sold out everywhere unless you go to Perriera Shavery. And I'm just not going to link an international site like that. If y'all want me to start linking international sites like that, I can. Comment below. Again, this came from Melly Mel. And I do like the little grips on the sides. Whether there's overhang or not, it's not a big deal to me, but the head is a little big, and I feel like the safety bar comes out quite a bit. But it is a comfortable, smooth shave. I mean, not much I can say, but everything, you know, I had a damn fine shave, like enough right here that I don't feel like I need to go back over this area. Oop, I did miss a spot. All that saying, and I still missed that like little spot right there. I didn't feel it until I was looking in the mirror super close. Like, huh? Yeah. So anyways, guys, until next time, hope to see you next shave. Have a good one.